In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Magnifying Glass app not working. So if the Magnifying Glass application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you connect it to a stable network. After you do that, the application should start working. But if still the application is not working, there might be some bugs in the app. So in that case, in order to fix it, what you have to do is update the application. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, what you have to do is search for the Magnifying Glass app. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Magnifying Glass and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Magnifying Glass and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info. Now in the App Info interface, find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now cache of this application will be cleared and it should start working. But if your app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, the application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with your device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the device will be restarted and all the temporary software glitches will be fixed. After that, the application should start working. So that is how you fix Magnifying Glass app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.